Hey everybody, Will Jacobs here with Jacobs Foreign RV out in St. Paul, Nebraska. So central Nebraska, just north of Grand Island, about half an hour. We are a 5-generation family business, so I'd be the 5th generation along with my older brother. And we've been here since 1927. So for over 96 years, our slogan has been customers always first. And today we're answering a question that has to do with the switch panel on the Vegatouch Mira or the Firefly system, and I'm going to give you a very quick fix to that. So notice I'm hitting interior all on. That should turn on all my lights, but none of the lights are turning on. None of the lights are turning on, so we're gonna go to our control panel over here. This is the home screen. I'm gonna go to settings in the bottom left. I'm gonna go to switch panel info, and I've got 2 switch panels that are not connected. So the entry one is the one I was just at. I'm gonna click on that and read, to pair the wireless switch panel indicated at the top of this page to the screen, press the start pairing button and instructions will follow. So we're gonna hit start pairing. To pair a wireless switch panel to the screen indicated above, press and hold any 2 buttons on the wireless panel for 5 seconds. So we got 30 seconds to get over here. And I'm gonna hit any 2 buttons, hold those. Boom, and my lights came on. And let's see what the message says. Wireless switch panel pairing successful. Done. All right, so we're back up here at the entry switch. All my lights are off, but when I hit interior all on, the switch is working how it should. So sometimes these wireless switches become disconnected for whatever reason. Typically, it's a very easy and quick fix. And I just wanted to make a quick video to help somebody out. If this did help you, leave a thumbs up. If you found it informative, leave it a thumbs up. If you have any other questions, comment below, and we would love to help you guys out. Again, my name is Will Jacobs at my family's business of Jacobs Foreign RV. Customers always first since 1927. Hope you enjoyed.